Hello guys, here's Shiuly and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a secret tip with you. Yes guys, coriander leaves. It's really so much hard to store coriander leaves for a long time. Today I'm going to show you how to store coriander leaves for a whole month in fridge. It will remain fresh till the last day. So at first I have taken a bundle of coriander leaves and now I'm cleaning them. I'm removing all the root part, all the broken leaves and all the bad things from the coriander leaves. So these are fully fresh and fully good coriander leaves, and there are some leaves those are good but those are broken. That means I mean to say that there are some leaves those will rot quickly. Now they are good, they are fresh, but there are some broken or some old leaves. So these are the kind of the leaves. So I'm taking them aside. I'll use them early, so I'm taking them aside and I'm taking the fresh coriander leaves for store. So let's do the whole process behind the camera. So guys, all of them are done. I've taken the good coriander leaves aside and the fresh but broken coriander leaves aside. So I'll use them earlier, and now I'm going to show you how to store the coriander leaves for a whole month. So I'm taking something, I'm showing you. So guys, here it is a carton box. From online shopping or another kind of shopping, you get some carton like this, brown color. If you don't have it, you may take a brown paper bag, you may use it instead. And now we need to fill all the coriander leaves in the carton like this. And now we need to close this box, and after that, to protect the moisture inside the box, we need a plastic bag, that means polythene bag. This kind of polythene bag we need, and now we need to cover the carton box with the polythene bag like this. The carton box will soak all the excess moisture of the coriander leaves, and the plastic bag will protect the moisture inside it, so it will neither be dry nor it will rot. Now keep this in the normal fridge, it will stay for a whole month. So guys, try this desi jugaad to store coriander leaves in fridge for a whole month, and don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.